Good morning. This is Ron Janish. Today is the 30th, the last day of November. It's about, since the market opened in New York, an hour and 20 minutes. So in California here, it's 7:50 in the morning. And this is a chart that we showed yesterday to you in the second video. Remember, we made a mistake in the calculation of the D. We had the D over here, and it really should be here. And one of the things that, if you're an expanded student of Andrews, you'll remember is that you typically have divergence in here. So we actually, when we did the calculations, and the real easy way to draw the lines was it showed that there wasn't any here, so you know we had to wait. So we waited and waited, and as you noticed yesterday, we had the selling price of 152.07, which we hung on to. It's a short, so we didn't do anything, and down she went, and that's what happened there. Okay, let's take a look at the Australian dollar. Australian dollar, we had a D over here. Prices tried to make higher highs. I think they do it for any length of time here? Let's take a look. 74.94, 74.95, one whole tick. Ooh, and there we go. So now we're going to the next D point, and so just draw your lines as is appropriate, and you'll find out where the D point is. Now let's just draw some median lines in here and let's see what happens. There we go. Take this here. Come on. This here and this here and this here. And we can see that on the regular median line, we had divergence at this point here, and we broke down below the H, and then had, even though we made a new high, it did not reached the median line, and the space was just huge, so we had some really strong divergence over here. Okay, and down we go right now, and that's just the way it is. And as of yesterday, we were short at the number of 74.44, and still are. Yes, I will show you a new position. Yes, I will, I promise. That we just got in today. This is not from today. This is from the other day. If you remember yesterday when I put up the chart here, 329.1, which was about over here, is where we wound up going short. And if we use our regular Andrews lines, let's see, did we have divergence or not? Let's take a look. Yes, notice how this one is way past the median line and this one barely ekes it out, okay? And we did have a D point here, which had nothing to do with this median line having divergence here, but we did happen to have that at the same time, and that's been kind of neat. And so now we travel here in the soy meal to the next D point. And all that a D point is something we came up for the expanded version of the Andrews course by going through a ton and a half of material in Andrews notes and stuff. And if you've seen the videos, you see that the material is just a massive amount. And to make life easier, we add a bunch of videos, and I think there's over 25, 30 videos, maybe a whole lot more than that. But these are especially for the expanded course. And one of the techniques we focused on and did a video on about a year ago was using daily charts in the Forex. and we showed a technique, and then we showed the, what the computer said in terms of the kind of results it got, and they were quite impressive. And so what we did was we took the same technique, only we said, hey, now we're going to use intraday charts instead, and that's how we get the D point. Okay, so we use that similar technique, but we use intraday charts instead to find a daily reversal point, and where it reverses for several days. Okay, so that's really what it is. And the way you get started with this is you go to andrewscourse.com and you sign up for the course, uh, and also the other thing you can do that costs you absolutely nothing is to sign up for the free Precision Trader group, which has very few emails. They're done through the Yahoo groups, and you just sign up for that at babsontrading.com and at what's the other one? Babson Trading and andrewscourse.com. You sign up there, and it's free. You just click on the Precision Trader subscribe thing, and it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And we monitor what gets posted, so it's only really relevant stuff. You don't get any ads for Viagra or any of that nonsense. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. This is one came recent. Now here we go. Okay, so we're ahead 20 bucks. Wow. Okay, here we went short at 111.5, which is somewhere around where the price is right now. Okay, and notice we have a D point here. Here's that unseeable D. Let's take a look here. So the theory is this is an important daily pivot. Well, it's already gone down for several days. I guess we're looking at this going down for several more. So figuring that this has a ways to go. Okay, and let's just draw a line or two. Let's just use a trend line, for example. If we draw a simple trend line, if we drew a simple trend line, and we would see that, price could easily get down to the 108 area, which is really not that far away. So anyway, that's the video for today. Yesterday we mistakenly posted it on rjhanish.com, the Yahoo group, but we're going to post it back on the Andrews Course group. And this one here we are. And so we will see you next time. And if you get a chance, please, if you're a member of the expanded group, if you enjoyed that video that we put out to you where you showed you how to determine this D point, then you are welcome to come to the special free seminar we're going to have for the expanded course members in the Newport Beach area. We're going to probably have it at the Monarch Inn. Beautiful place. And it's right near Newport Beach. Actually, Monarch Inn is in Dana Point, but right down the road from Newport Beach, and it's a beautiful area. And what we're going to do at the seminar is go over the same material, really, and the same concept that we did in the video. We'll add a few more charts, stuff like that. And the seminar might take an hour or two, and that's really, you can ask live questions. You ask me live and all that good stuff. And it's just a really good excuse for me to go to go to Dana Point, Newport Beach area, which is, for me, is only a few hours drive. It's a beautiful area, and we're going to do it on the 30th of December, so you have lots of time to plan. Okay, so those of you that are expanded course members, go for it. And if you're not an expanded course member, and if you're not even a course member, please take the Andrews course. And then once you've taken the advanced Andrews course, you can upgrade to the expanded course, which is massive and comes with a whole bunch more new videos. And you also get the special bonus video about determining the D point. Okay, so I thank you for your time and see you next time.